Greetings, community. Welcome to Free Spirit Friday. My name is Jamesia, aka James IA, aka your favorite water bearer, Team Aquarius, aka Yaya May. Shout out to my sister. I'm your motivational holistic health coach, and I'm just a vessel to provide you with the necessary tools to make sure that your mind operates in a state of consciousness, your spirit stays lit, and your body is snatched to the gods in every way you wish. Before we bankhead bounce into the video, shout out to ATL. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe by clicking the link below. And if you're feeling real spicy like, drop a comment or two. So this is a quick video on the power of journaling. Are you ready? Get excited. Effective journaling is a practice that can help you improve your goals or improve your quality of life. Journaling can help you clear your head, make connections between your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, and even reduce the effects on mental illness. Journaling is a practice recommended by therapists and psychologists in order to provide a significant impact on the mental health of their clients, and can be found to boost your mood, enhance your well-being, reduce the symptoms of depression before an important event, improve your memory and your history of trauma. If y'all don't know by now, the reason why I stress mental health is due to the trauma the Black community has experienced as a whole. We have a lot of hurt and wounded people walking around, and if we don't address that, it can be quite a dangerous thing. And I know you're like, well, James IA, what does journaling have to do with the spirit? Well, that's a great question. Journaling can not only strengthen our spirit, but it can also track the evolution of our spirit. When we're growing and healing and becoming a better version of ourselves, we'll find that we no longer resonate with certain things we used to do, or we no longer do the things we once did. It's important to learn from your past and your mistakes and recognize the root cause of your past actions and why you did it in the first place. With this data, you will now be able to move forward as a better version of yourself. Another reason why journaling is important is because I believe that we all have a story to tell. We all have something to say, and when we have our life experiences written down, we can use it to reference back to, reflect on how much we've grown, or we can use it to provide guidance to others who are going through similar situations we've gone through, or we can use it to write and publish a book in order to help more people. In addition to everything I mentioned thus far, I also like to use journaling for manifestations. I believe that there's power in writing down your goals. There's this saying that goes, and I'm paraphrasing, it's a saying that when you have an idea, it's a dream. When you write it down, it becomes real. But when you put a date on it, it becomes a goal. And I believe that wholeheartedly. I believe that when you write down what you want and you put a date on it, as well as put forth the action towards that goal, I believe that you have the power to co-create and manifest whatever it is that you want. At the end of the day, you can use journaling however you see fit. The goal is to become a better person and to evolve in this lifetime. So you're going to evolve. You're going to learn something new every single day. You're going to stretch yourself and challenge yourself. So why not keep documentation of your life experience so that you can leave something behind and show the world how great you are and how great you were. Leave your legacy, leave your mark. So that is all that I have for you, community. If you haven't done so already, purchase your 3-day self-care starter kit in the description box below. In your kit, you'll get to experience daily journal prompts that will help activate your self-development and self-growth. So I hope that you all have a fantastic Free Spirit Friday and a wonderful weekend. Oh yeah, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and eat your fruits and vegetables. T2IL.